And amid India-Pakistan tensions in the Pahalgam terror attack, my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is reporting from Gulmarg, where heightened security is visible. She spoke to Amarnath Yatra devotees en route for darshan in Jammu and Kashmir, as well as to foreign tourists visiting this region. Yes, Mom.
A heightened sense of alert even after 10 days of Pahalgam terror attack. All you see on ground is the security grid, and there's a renewed synergy, be it CRPF, the BSF, the Indian Army, all working in tandem. Now, there is a multi-tiered security grid which has been formed, especially in and around tourist areas. Remember, there was a sense of unease, especially after tourists came out, that there was lack of security, especially in Pahalgam at that point of time when the terror attack was unleashed. But right here, what you see is BSF on guard, but they are also not just the road opening party, they also double up as the quick reaction team, also carrying out area domination exercise. And not just the roads, but also these terrains, which includes thick green foliage. And let me tell you, in all 10 districts of Jammu and Kashmir, in Kashmir Valley in particular, there are cordon and search operations going on. And this is where what we know is that there's a renewed effort by security grid to ensure that no loophole is actually left. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Gulmarg for India Today. Please speak about Kashmir.
Oh, you mean Kashmir? Yeah, I was dreaming to come to Kashmir. So I was thinking, how does Kashmir look like? So when I reach here, there's a difference and it's nice. And the people is very nice also. And the one thing, nice to shop.
Nice to shop.
Yeah, I buy all the stall. I buy a lot of things.
Is there a sense of security here?
Yes, very safe, very safe. We feel like in here that we feel like very safe.
Yeah, I'm very happy to hear, very happy to come here, and you are very safe also.
The Pahalgam terror attack could not have come at a worse time, because Amarnath Yatra, which begins towards June end, it's a long process. The livelihoods of people, there is this entire sense that there is a responsibility for protection of the tourists and the yatris. Look at the registration process. Now, this is a painstaking process because each pony wala will come and register, and we anticipate that there are around 7,000, 20 to 30,000 of these particular horses or the ponies are around, and they carry. And remember, last year it was a record 5 lakh tourists which had come in. And these are the yatris who were specifically in relation with Amarnath. Now look at this. This is a tag which is being put onto the horse. There you see it. This is the registration after all the police verification and documentation is done. The registration has now been done. Sir, ये बताइएगा, safe रहे, सुरक्षित रहे, इसका क्या आप लोग कैसे करते हैं? क्योंकि ऐसा हमें बताया गया कि किसी के ऊपर एफआईआर है तो उसको फिर आप लोग रजिस्टर नहीं करते हैं, तो कितना बड़े पैमाने पे ये काम चलता है, कितने दिन चलता है और वेरिफिकेशन में कितना समय लगता है?
ये जो हमारा रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस है, ये श्री अमरनाथ जी यात्रा के लिए जो घोड़े जाते हैं, पोनीज जाते हैं, चाहे वो राइडिंग पोनीज हो या पैक पोनीज हो, जो यात्री की सहायता के लिए होते हैं, उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस होता है। उसमें एक टैग लगता है, ये एक यूनिक आईडी है। इस टैग से जो हमारी यहाँ पे GMAX साइट है यात्रा की, श्री अमरनाथ जी यात्रा की, अगर उसमें ये टैग नंबर हम एंटर करते हैं तो उसमें पोनी का भी, घोड़े का भी पूरा डिटेल आता है इसमें, और पोनी वाले का भी पूरा डिटेल आता है इसमें। जैसे कि घोड़े का कलर कैसा है, ये कैसा है, जैसे कि इसमें से सुरक्षा के बहुत सारे इंतजाम हैं। ये इनको पहले एक प्रोसेस से गुजरना पड़ता है।
अमरनाथ यात्रा पे भी हमने देखा है पिछले कुछ सालों में अटैक भी हुआ है, नूनवान बेस पे भी हुआ है, तो आप लोग कैसे चलते हैं? आई मीन, खास तौर पे आप लोगों को भी तो खतरा रहता है।
हमको भी खतरा रहता है, लेकिन करना पड़ता है ना, मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। किस लिए? के अमरनाथ के लिए, देश चलाने के लिए। हमारा हिंदुस्तान है, हम इसको चलाएंगे, कुछ भी करके चलेंगे इंशाल्लाह। हाँ,
so there you go. The process is already underway. And this is where you look at it. A whole lot of ponywalas whose livelihoods are dependent. These are people who come here for registration and a largest exercise. But a blueprint is already been made to ensure that this time there is safe and secure Amarnath Yatra. underway. But remember, at this point of time, the date has not been decided. But just about last year, there were 5 lakh Yatris who had made it, and the process had started on June 29th. And thereafter, what we know is there was a safe and secure Amarnath Yatra. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Pahalgam for India Today. जिस तरह से नॉन लोकल्स को टारगेट किया, आप लोग किस तरह से देखते हैं, खास तौर पे क्योंकि अभी अमरनाथ का सीजन शुरू होने वाला है।
जी, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप ये लोग यहाँ पर आ गए। जहाँ तक आपने कहा कि टारगेटिंग, ये जो टारगेटिंग किलिंग हुई है, ये टूरिस्ट के ऊपर नहीं हुई है, ये एक फैमिली में, हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर के ऊपर, मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर वो थे। हम नहीं समझते हैं, हम इसको कट करते हैं कि ये टूरिस्ट थे, क्योंकि ये अपने मुल्क की थे, गैर मुल्की नहीं थे। गैर मुल्की का मतलब हो गया वो गैर थे, ये अपने मुल्क के थे, इसलिए हमारे फैमिली मेंबर थे वो। हमारे फैमिली मेंबर चले गए, हम इसके लिए ये कहेंगे कि ये बहुत ही गलत हो गया। इसको हम जितने भी मतलब
अमरनाथ पे आपको क्या लग रहा है, कुछ होगा सर? क्योंकि यात्री भी आते हैं, इससे पहले हमने देखा है कि कई बार ऐसा भी हुआ है कि यात्रा पे भी हमला हुआ है।
ये मेरी सोनमर्ग है, आप फाइल खोल के देखिए। 89 से जब से ये हालात खराब हो गए, तब से लेके आज तक देखिए कि हमारे जो सोनमर्ग है, इसने कितना अच्छा वेलकम किया है यात्रियों के लिए। अमरनाथ यात्रा इंशाअल्लाह और हमारे खुश उसूलबी के साथ यहाँ पर रवान दवा रहेगी इंशाअल्लाह। जैसे पहले सालों में रही थी, जैसे पहले सालों में आती थी, उससे ज़्यादा हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि उससे ज़्यादा अमरनाथ यात्रा यहाँ पर आ जाए।
टूरिस्ट पे ऐसा हमला कभी हुआ ही नहीं था, ये हमारी बदकिस्मती है। क्या पता है कौन लोग ये नहीं चाहते हैं कि ये कश्मीर खुशहाल रहे।
And while all eyes on the recent Pahalgam terror attack, the Sonmarg tunnel strike from 8 months ago still haunts this region. Remember, in the month of October 2024, terrorists opened fire on workers at the Zam Mode tunnel site in Ganderbal. The attack was later claimed by Lashkar-e-Taiba. India Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu reports on the very spot where the horror unfolded.
Nearly 8 months before the Pahalgam terror attack, there was another big terror attack which happened right here in Gagangir. This is the Sonmarg Tunnel project, an important key infrastructure project where there were at least 7 personnel, mostly laborers who were working on this prestigious project, and a doctor who was a local, were killed. The horrifying attack took place late in night in the Srinagar-Leh National Highway. Security is tight now, but remember, this is a 6.5 kilometers Z-Mode tunnel, and at that point of time also the similarity came in that non-locals were targeted here. Then thereafter, that's the similarity what we tried talking about with the Pahalgam terror attack. The other was about how this was Junaid Ahmed Bhatt, an important Lashkar-e-Taiba commander, but along with him is Hakim Musa, one of the main accused, who is also now identified by Security Grid as one of the perpetrators of the Pahalgam terror attack. So this is important because Junaid Ahmed Bhatt was killed way back in December 2024, but his mobile phone gave enough clues to security forces about the perpetrators. We'll just try and get you a sense. Speaking to Rishpal Singh was here. He's a security guard. आज सुरक्षा है यहाँ पर, लेकिन उस समय जब ये सोनमर्ग में घटना घटी थी, किस तरह से आप देखते हैं, खास तौर पे जिस तरह से उस समय आतंकी हमला हुआ था?
देखो मैम, उस वक्त तो हम फिलहाल तो हमें पहले पता नहीं चला था, बाद में हम डर गए थे क्योंकि पहले गोलियों की आवाज़ आने लगी, उसके बाद हमें पता चला कि ऐसे हुआ। क्योंकि मैं भी 7 साल से जहाँ पे काम कर रहा हूँ, तो ऐसा तो कुछ हुआ नहीं था। तो जब हमें पता चला तो हमें भी दुख हुआ, क्योंकि हमारे साथ में ही काम कर रहे थे सभी, तो इसलिए फिर थोड़ा दहशत का माहौल हो गया था उस टाइम।
So this is where security forces have now heightened the alert, and this particular high alert is in all 10 districts where cordon and search operations are going on in a massive way. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Gagangir near Sonmarg for India Today.